Hello students of 4th class. Today we are going to start a chapter Save Trees, Save Life. That is a unit of 8. So first of all, let us discuss some importance of tree. So first of all, what is a tree? You know, this is something tree, right? So what are the importance of tree in our life? I know you all know about a tree, that tree having leaves, having a bunches, and anything, right? So what are the importance of trees? So first of all, there is a tree removes global warming. So global warming is a very dangerous thing in atmosphere, so tree try to remove that dirt. First of all, tree removes the global atmosphere great quantity of carbon dioxide and the major green gas responsible for global climate change, right? Second one is tree filters the air. So tree filter that air which we breathe. Trees give us oxygen and take a carbon dioxide from us. So tree help us to filter the air. Third one is tree conserves the rainwater. So tree also conserves the rainwaters and reduce the water pollution. They increase the amount of water stored in a soil, right? Particular dust gets stuck off and fresh air reaching us. So with the help of trees, dust particle and plants and pollutions are get stuck off and fresh air reaches us. Fifth one is temperature in the area of tree is cooler than that away from the trees. So where is a tree, there is no much warmer place. It is a cool place where there is a tree. But where no tree are there, then it create a very mispressing day. Tree give us wood for make their furniture. So tree give us a wood for making a furniture, making a door, or doing other activities with the wood. So students, these are some importance of trees. So now I will tell you about one story, right? So there is a story, Earth Smile Again, right? So in this story, a boy was standing near a pool and the water in the pool was dirt and grey in color. So a boy was standing near a pool and he see that this pool is very grey and very muddy, and he suddenly heard for a sound of cry. He heard a sad cry, you can say. He looked aroundly and finally realized that it was from the pool. Now the boy stepped aside and pool surface water and saw a group of grey fish, weak and sad. So that fish is weak and sad. So boy tried to catch one of them and get stuck him air into the water. It turned grey right up to the elbow and he became sad that his arm become a grey. So why? Because the pool was dirty, right? Then boy ran away from the place and he washed his arms many times. When the boy go to home and he washed their hand again and again, and after some time he see that his arm should be clean. So students, and from them he begins to care from that day he start to care the environment and he try to clean the surrounding. And what does he see in the next time when he goes to near the pool, that the pool water is clean and the fishes are playing in that pool. So which help us to clean the atmosphere? That are the trees which help us to clean the clean the atmosphere. So students, there are some points how can we save a tree. First of all, we should plant a tree, we give a water to them, and minimize the use of paper towels. In the place of paper towel, we can use the cloth towel, because paper are made from a trees. If we have used less paper, then there is a less tree cutting. So in a rural area, biogas for cooking also be helpful. So there are some another methods to save a tree. So students, let's discuss the exercise. So how do reduce the water pollutions? By putting more and more trees, we can reduce the pollutions. Why should we avoid wasting paper? We should avoid wasting paper because if we are cutting more trees, if we are tearing more papers, then we need more trees to make a papers. So we should avoid to wasting a paper, right? Tree prevent climate change. How? Its answer is the tree removes from the global atmosphere great quantities of carbon dioxide and major greenhouse gas responsible for global climate change. Okay. Now these three questions are in your exercise and you have to write in your own wording. See, true, false. Tree filters the air we breathe. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, question number 2 and 3 are blanks which are related to this chapter which we explain in this video. So first of all, watch the video and then try to solve this exercise. Okay, so what is your homework, students? Solve the back exercise on your notebook, right? With this, your chapter is complete. Thank you and have a nice day.